Welcome. In this video I'm going to be taking a look at this GRIDMANN stainless steel shelf. So if you find this video helpful and you want to purchase one of these, I'll put a link to it in the description on Amazon, and if you use that link it helps me out a little bit and doesn't cost you anything extra. So this is a 36 by 12 inch shelf. Piece of styrofoam. Looks like we have the shelf angle brackets there. We have mounting hardware. Came with some anchors and screws. Looks like this does have some plastic on it. It's not perfect. I just felt here there's a little sharpness right here. That's not bad there. A little bit of sharpness here. I'm just feeling these areas. If you were wanting to put this in your kid's bedroom for some reason or something, I don't know why you would, but you'd probably want to sand those down a little bit. I think this works best in kitchens, shops. I'll be putting this in a laundry area. So this is kind of beat up. It'll be interesting to see. Like, it looks like it scratched through the stainless steel here. So for my use, I don't care if there's little scratches on it, but I'm bringing this up because some people maybe want a more pristine surface. So this does have keyholes on the back, and then it has regular screws on the top. Pull the shelf out. So here we can see the construction of it. This is welded here and then ground down. On the back side, this is bent up, and then it has a seam here on the edge, and we see nearly the same thing right here. So this looks like it's bent in just a little bit, and we have bolts. And it looks like we have some studs that were welded into this metal. You can see the inside of that there. A few scratches on there right there. So this bracket is going to go on here. So these are 10mm bolts, and it says do not over tighten. I'm guessing that would pull those right out. Now when you have this set up, the weight's going to be pushing down on it, so it's not going to have shear force on it or anything, so you shouldn't need to over tighten these. So that's going to fit on like so. Now it has that plastic on there. I'll need to pull that out. I guess I'll just do that real quick. I'm going to want to leave the plastic on as much of it as I can until I have it up to keep it from getting scratched, although I expect this will just get scratched in regular usage, so it's not a huge deal. Okay, so I just barely tightened those. I can always tighten them up a little more later, like if they become loose, and you could also put some Loctite on there, although you'd only want to put a tiny little bit. So that seems pretty sturdy, and that seems to line up pretty good with the back side here. So I'll do that to the other side. And I just realized I didn't take the plastic off this side piece on here, so I'll make sure I do that on the other side, and then I'll have to pull this off and do the same. Okay, so to install this on the wall, I'm going to hold this up against the wall, I'll put a level on it, and I'll mark the top of each of these keyholes here. So I'll probably use a pencil or permanent marker, and then I will install the anchors on the wall, and then I'll put the screws partially in, and then I can slide this over. So I'm going to do that, and then I'll go show this on the wall. Okay, so I have the shelf installed here. So I have this stainless steel sink, and I have this little sideboard here, and this is where I had all my cleaners and all sorts of stuff piled up here, which negated the whole point of having it. So now that I have the shelf, I can clear that stuff off here and put it up on the shelf, and then I can use this if I'm washing something. I can dry it here. I still need to clean this up a little bit. So I did run into a little issue here. I had this shelf sitting on the ground and I accidentally kicked it, and this middle bolt broke off. So I just have the outer ones. So I don't think that's a big issue. I think it'll be just fine. I also used these stainless steel screws. They're 1.5" number 10 screws that I already had. These are the screws it came with, which are probably 1.25" maybe. And I think the screws it came with would have worked just fine, but I had these stainless screws, so I just decided to use them. But otherwise, everything went fairly well. When I put this on, I did the top 2 screws, and I made sure it was level. And then when I did these, before I marked the bottom holes, I put a level on this surface to make sure it was plumb, and I had to push it out a little bit and then marked it, and then I drilled the holes and put the screws in. So I use those plastic anchors, so when you're tightening the screws down, you want to make sure you don't tighten them too tight. You can easily just pull those plastic anchors out. So I'll be putting cleaners and stuff up here. If this falls, it'll fall on top of this sink. Now if you're putting flammable liquids or something on top of something like this, you'd want to make sure it's absolutely very secure. I feel like this is very secure, and I feel like I could probably put flammable liquids on, but there is always the chance that those plastic anchors would pull out. So in that case, you might want to use some little more sturdy anchors. So that's the GRIDMANN 36 by 12 inch stainless steel shelf. That's all I'm going to cover in this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.